carry me, I wanna fly. I'm riding through the future. Alright, hey everybody, and welcome, and thank you all for joining me today. Just kind of doing a group ride. This is kind of a last minute thing. It's a Sunday evening here in Charlottesville. But we're going to take a ride up through the Blue Ridge Mountains, kind of go over the top and come back around. We got a nice solid little group today, and for once the Italians outnumber the Japs today, which is pretty cool. So up front we have Ducati Monster, Ducati 848 of course. Looks like we have the CBR 1000, Ninja 400, Ducati multi.
Stop on Barracks.
Barracks?
Is that the next one?
The next one's 29. I think the one after that might be Barracks. I don't know.
The second exit after.
Second exit, okay. And then so yeah, we have the Ducati Monster 796, Ducati 848, CBR 1000, Kawasaki Ninja 600, Ducati Multistrada, and Ducati 996. So yeah, we got all the Ducatis today. Very, very exciting. Alright, so I kind of came up with a topic I guess we could talk about on this ride, since really just watching me aimlessly drive around back roads staring at another guy's butt is really not that interesting. Basically what I'd like to talk about, which I do get questions quite often for people that I guess don't really understand. Why do I motovlog? Why do I, have my Instagram? And why am I trying to create such a presence on social media? Not really so much myself, but mostly for my bike. And I mean, there's a number of reasons why. I guess initially where it started, oh god, that was a big bump. I guess initially where it started was when I was deployed and I used to watch motovlogs in my spare time, and kind of started off with, Walterific and Jake the Garden Snake and 6'4" Honda and Snowcat, everything else. My thoughts was when I was watching this, I'm like, I could do this, and this is something that I find very interesting. And I mean, I have the knowledge to edit videos, I have the GoPro, I have all the things necessary. I just need a bike. And once I finally got the bike, I was like, okay, perfect, like now I can start cranking this stuff out. That's kind of what got the ball rolling, was just surfing YouTube, and I came across motovlogs. I think why I kept doing it, because I mean, you notice that a lot of people, they kind of lose interest in it, I guess, or they're like, yeah, I'm gonna try, and then they do like a video, and then it really just doesn't go according to plan. They expect to hit 1,000 subscribers on the first video, and unfortunately most of the time it really doesn't work like that. It takes months, if not years, of just producing video after video after video. And for me it's not so much about becoming famous. I mean, don't get me wrong, that'd be nice. It'd be nice to be able to be like, to get spotted and everything else, and have a huge following and have YouTube pay me to make these videos and stuff like that. That would be nice. But I kind of understand now. It's like, it might happen, but it probably won't. But I do it because it's fun. I love going out, and I love riding. I love talking. And I love making videos. The thing I love the most about all of it, though, is helping people out. So when you get people that reach out to you with questions, and it's really nice to be able to talk to these people all around, not just around the country, but around the world. And it's so cool to be able to reach out and to be able to help those people with with questions, and be able to educate them through some of my more informative videos, and inspire people too. Even, I mean, I've had a couple people down here that didn't have channels, or they did and they had lost interest, and I moved down here and they're like, oh my god, like I think I'm gonna start doing that again, and they started. And to me, like, that's what's like most fulfilling is being able to do that. Uh-oh, I think we're lost. You are lost! Alright, gotta get back on track now. We missed the turn. So that to me, like being able to reach out and help people is just a huge thing that just really what motivates me and it pushes me to keep making videos and you know, going out with my camera and, you know, editing and paying for editing software and everything like that. Like, I'm not making money on this, guys. I mean, not yet. But I don't see myself making money either. I'm doing it because it's a love and it's a passion. It's just nice to be able to help others. And I love sharing my bike with others, and I love showing, you know, the new stuff that I've done to it, or, you know, new roads that I've found, or, you know, maybe like a new spot to take photos that's like really nice. And I love being able to share that with everyone. I think that's really cool. Alright, so I took the liberty to go last so you can see the whole crew. Unfortunately, the GoPro is a very wide angle, so it's going to be kind of hard to see them all. But we got the Ninja 400, Ducati 996, him is the Ducati Motostrada, and then the CBR 1000, and then up front is the Monster 796. We're actually going up through the Blue Ridge Mountains. We're going to be intersecting Skyline Drive. It's a nice ride. I've done it a few times. I'll touch base with you guys once we actually hit the base of the mountain and start doing our ascent. My bad. Sorry. Alright guys, oh man, nice way to end a ride. I love coming through this pass. I think it's an absolute blast. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna cut the video here. Thank you all so much for joining me today and watching this video and listening to me blabble and rant, and I hope you enjoyed this quick little zip through the mountains here. If you liked what you saw, hit that like button. Subscribe for more future motovlogs with me and the beautiful one and only Tatiana. Plenty more videos to come this summer, guys. If you guys ever want to link up for a ride or anything like that, feel free to hit me up. You can message me on Instagram, comment below. But I'm located in Central Virginia in Charlottesville. So if any of you guys are local to the Central VA area and want to meet up, don't hesitate to hit me up. Thank you all so much again for joining me, and as always, ride safe.